Welcome back. We're now joined with Valerie from Ferrell Physical Therapy in Medina.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Wonderful. So tell me a little bit about your business.
So we are located in Medina. We're Ferrell Physical Therapy. We do all sorts of physical therapy services for everyone in Medina.
That's wonderful. So how about yourself? Tell me a little bit about yourself, Valerie.
So my name is Valerie Kasisko. I'm a physical therapist assistant. I've been with Ferrell for about 2 years. I got my education from Remington College. I've been a therapist for about 5 years.
Oh, that's wonderful. So how did you get involved with this current business?
Well, actually, I was on maternity leave with my second child, and I decided I wanted to change, and we at Ferrell offer a pool. So we have aquatic therapy, and I wanted to learn more about it and kind of get into aquatic therapy. So that's how I kind of found out they offered that, and I went that route.
So what is aquatic therapy?
So aquatic therapy is pretty much physical therapy in water. We have 2 pools actually, one in Rootstown and one in Medina at the location I work.
Oh, okay.
It's a nice warm pool, about 86 to 88 degrees. We have, patients from all over come, all different kinds of injuries, surgeries, stuff like that.
Okay.
So it's very interesting.
So you would help someone after, say, they had a hip replacement?
Correct.
Okay.
So after they're healed and ready to kind of get into the pool, once their incision's healed, then they can come in the pool.
Is that a little bit less invasive than someone actually doing, or you would probably do both your regular physical therapy and the water?
Correct, yeah. A lot of times if they're right out of something like chronic pain or something that's a little harder for them to do, then we put them in the pool. Okay. So then they can exercise and get the same benefits they would on land, but in the water. There's less compression on the joints when you're in the water, so it's more beneficial at that time. And then eventually we put them on land because we aren't mermaids, so we have to get back on land. So that's our goal.
Is it more like a step-up program? So you start at one place and kind of move up?
Not always. So it's all geared towards whatever the patient needs. So it's very individualized.
So what do you see the goals for the business? I see you're growing and you're expanding.
Correct. Well, Ferrell that's their goal always, is to try to make a greater demographic. The areas we do decide are kind of where maybe physical therapy isn't. So our clinics are pretty much everywhere, so anybody can come. A lot of patients we have will see us in Medina, but maybe live further south or further north or whatever. So that's our goal, is if they have to change, they can come to us still.
Gotcha. So do you partner with local businesses and hospitals?
Businesses, no. Hospitals, yes. Or doctors, I should say. More doctors. Yeah, that's more our partner. We kind of gear up with them, and they send us their referrals, and that's kind of how we keep in touch.
Okay. So what gives you the competitive edge?
I think it's our staff. You can go to any physical therapy clinic you want around, the country, but I think it's totally how the staff are. They're very friendly, they're well educated, they're always learning new techniques, and it's like you're coming to a family's house. Okay. So we're all pretty close, and that works out really well.
Do most of your patients come to you, or do you go to them as well?
They come to us. Yeah, we don't have any home health as of right now.
Okay. Is that something you see in the future, possibly?
There's always a chance. We always grow, so I'm not going to say no, but I'm not going to say yes. Okay. So I don't know. We'll see.
At this point, no.
Yeah, at this point, no, but you never know.
So what do you see as the best part about the Northern Medina County Chamber Alliance?
So we're new to them, but they are very active in the community. They actually helped us with our Funds for Kids. We do a fundraiser every year. This will be our 2nd annual. It'll be in June, so they help us with that, which has been really good.
So what is the Fund for Kids?
So we are doing 2 charities, Miracle Leagues, and I believe, I'm not exactly sure what the other one is at this point, but Miracle Leagues was our one that we did last year. And we raised, I believe, $5,000 for them. Okay. So it was pretty exciting. That was our first fundraiser, so it was a little choppy, but I think we're learning, so we're doing good.
And this is something your business does in the community, or you partner with other people to do?
Correct, yes. This is new, but we started.
Okay.
Yep, so we're trying to get out there and get, fundraisers going and stuff like that.
That's wonderful. So describe your perfect customer, or your perfect client, or your perfect patient.
Well, personally, my perfect patient is somebody who knows that physical therapy takes time. If you come in and think you're going to be healed the first session, then you have a rude awakening.
Right.
It takes time, and if you're willing to do your home exercise program and listen to what we have to say, then you're going to be the best patient, and you will become, you'll be healthier faster.
Right.
So that's helpful.
So why do you think you guys chose this area?
Well, actually, the owner, Jason Graff, lived in this area. He went to Buckeye schools. He actually was an aide for Ferrell before he bought the business.
Okay.
So it's pretty exciting because he has stayed home the entire time, which I think is pretty cool.
So where else are you located?
We are located in 4 different places. We have 2 clinics in Medina. Both of them off of Route 18. And we have a Rootstown that is a Neomed center, so the Neomed Medical Center.
So Neomed, what is that?
So Neomed, I believe, is a medical school. So we're associated with them. We're in their clinic, and we also have a aquatic therapy there too.
So you do internships possibly?
We do internships everywhere. So any kind of physical therapy interns we do have at all our clinics.
Well, thank you so much for joining us,
Thank
Valerie.
you so much
It was
for
a
having
pleasure.
me. I really appreciate it. It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.